everyone, and welcome to today's episode. I'm your host, Mohsin Ullah, and I'm really excited about this one. Today, we're diving into something highly relevant and something which is extremely powerful for enterprises modernizing their integration landscapes. A tool called I2AC, which is short for IBM IIB to App Connect. To help us explore this topic, I'm joined by Umair Shahid, an expert in integration modernization and automation. So, Umair, welcome to the show. Great to have you here.
Thank you, Mohsen, for having me. I'm excited to talk about this solution.
So, Umair, let's start at the top. What exactly is I2AC and what kind of issue does it solve for the organizations?
Yeah, sure. So I2AC is basically an automation tool that help organizations and companies to migrate their IIB into the App Connect. So traditionally, this process can be manual, time consuming, and involving multiple steps like backing up the brokers, transferring artifacts, reconfiguring MQs, and so on. So I2AC simplifies this. It do these all these steps in one click using the user interface, and this user interface is very simple, very user friendly. Everyone can use it, without any hassle. So this solution automate all these steps. It auto do the backup, transfer the backup files, do the migration, and after the successful migration, it can also generate a summary report about the migration. And if any application won't start, it will give the informative error, so you can start it by removing those error.
Well, that's really impressive. And now that I've heard that the latest version of I2AC adds something quite transformative, which is container deployment. So I want to know, can you te- te- tell us about what's new there?
Yeah, sure. As you know, now these days every thing is going to the cloud because of its efficiency and infrastructure and cost effectiveness. So we have introduced a latest feature in our I2AC solution, which is basically migration from source IIB to the containerized App Connect instance, which is running in the OpenShift. So instead of moving brokers and their associated MQs to the VM or any physical server, now we can take the backup from the IIB source and automatically deploy it to the containerized App Connect instance in the CP4I. So this means user can not modernize their integration runtime only, but their infrastructures also using the cloud native and scalable DevOps environment.
So, that looks like it's a big step towards modernization. Let's talk about how it works. And so, how does I2AC actually perform this container-based migration?
The process is fully automated. So it includes like I2AC connect to the source machine and take the broker backup and their associated MQs backup, and it transfer to these artifacts into the OpenShift environment. And after doing this, it will perform some container configurations in the backend and create and deploy the App Connect ports. So once deployment is done, it verifies the application inside those App Connect containers, whether they are running properly or not, and it will generate a summary report of this migration. So you can say that it's a click and containerized migration.
So that's incredibly accurate. So let's talk about benefits, the pros. So what makes this approach so valuable?
Yeah, there are several benefits of this solution. So first of all, the speed and automation. Uh, the previously those things which take days and weeks, now we can done in minutes with a single click. And consistency, the automation ensures error-free and repeatable migrations. Other is scalability. By deploying App Connect in container on OpenShift, organizations gain auto-scaling and resource optimization capabilities, and simplified operations. Everything is run on CP4I, integration monitoring and lifecycle management of the CP4I. And also this is cost efficient. Fewer manual efforts, less downtime, and less error-prone solutions. And this is a future-ready solution. This process can prepare enterprises for hybrid cloud or multi-cloud integration strategies.
So now in a crowded integration modernization market, what makes I2AC truly stand out?
So, most migration tools only help with the code configurations and conversions. I2AC goes beyond that. It handles end-to-end migration and deployment. So, for enterprises adopting CP4I, I2AC reduces the risk and time and cost. It enables smooth transition to containerized integration without rewriting applications. So for system integrations, IBM partners or customers modernizing their middleware, I2AC offers a fast track.
So before we wrap up, what's next for I2AC? Are there any exciting developments on the roadmap?
Yeah, this is very I'm very exciting to talk about this because we are working on adding the AI assisted migration analysis. So what our solution can do, it gives the AI assistance feature, which will predict the errors and predict the possible solution for this error and suggest fixings. So we are also working on the active agents. If there are minor errors like configuration issues, it will also auto fix the errors and do it manually. Sorry, automatically.
That's amazing. A truly exciting vision for the future of integration modernization. We have had Umair with us. Umair, thank you so much for joining us and sharing your insights on I2AC and its evolution.
Thank you, Mohsin.
And to our audience, thank you for tuning in. If you're exploring ways to modernize your integration stack, please check out to I2AC and see how it can accelerate your journey to cloud native integrations. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative. We'll see you in the next episode.